If you're getting Google Gemini Error 13, here are the top fixes you can try step by step. First, switch your internet connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, try using a mobile hotspot or different network. If it starts working, your current IP or network may be causing the issue. Next, log out of your Google account and clear your browser cache and cookies. After that, restart your browser and log back into Gemini to refresh your session. You can also delete your Gemini activity history. Some users report this helps fix the error, but make sure to back up any important chats before doing it. Another fix is to turn off and then turn on Gemini's memory or personalization settings. If you're using image uploads, try removing them and sending only text, as images can sometimes trigger Error 13. Also disable any VPNs, ad blockers, or browser extensions that may interfere with Gemini's secure connection. If a specific chat is causing the issue, simply start a new conversation instead of continuing the old one. And that's how you can fix Google Gemini Error 13.